perfectly cooked, so we can use it like aperitif or like a kind of snack. Welcome to Cucina with Daniela from the Golden Taste. Today we're gonna do pane in carrozza. I'm using toasted bread, eggs, salt, 1 mozzarella cheese, some crumbled bread, pepper, oil to fry. Andiamo, facciamo il pane in carrozza. Puzza passion. I'm breaking my eggs. Add oil in the pan, some salt, pepper. It's really important that you mix the eggs really good. Slice the mozzarella, 1 slice inside, put in the eggs, and then you cover up with the bread. Next one. Now I put in the fry pan. So our pane in carrozza it's ready. Let's try it together. This is really nice for snacks. You can see the mozzarella, it's perfectly cooked. So we can use it like aperitif or like a kind of snack. Delizioso, buonissimo. Please, sharing and caring with your friends. Follow my channel below, all the ingredients, any other idea, put in your comments. Have a good day for now, and ciao!